This is the most delicious creamy feta dressing that you can make in literally 5 minutes. You can have it as a dressing, as a dip, as a sauce. It's absolutely delicious. You need some feta, oregano, yogurt or sour cream, olive oil, lemon juice, and some water to just thin it out. Blend everything together and you can store this in the fridge for up to 5 days. Give this a try and as always, enjoy. This green goddess dressing is so delicious and so easy to make. You can use it as dressing, you can use it as a dip, as a marinade, however you use it, it's gonna be great. You need the spinach, parsley, dill, pistachios, yogurt, olive oil, a little bit of Dijon mustard, garlic, salt, and lemon juice. Blend everything in a blender or a food processor and just keep it in the fridge for up to 5 days. So easy and simple, absolutely delicious. Give it a try and make sure to follow. This balsamic vinaigrette is ready in 5 minutes and is much better than store-bought. Let's start. All you need to do is to mix honey, Dijon mustard, some balsamic vinegar, some olive oil, little salt and pepper in a jar, and then just shake it until it's creamy and nice. It's so easy and delicious. You can keep it in the fridge for about 2 weeks. Give this a try and make sure to follow. Forget about store-bought dressing with God knows what ingredient that we cannot pronounce and make your own at home using my Mediterranean dressing recipe. You have olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, a little bit of salt, honey, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder. Seal the jar and shake it and that's it. Keep it in the fridge and use it on whatever salad you're making. This keeps in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So easy to make. Give it a try and as always, enjoy. Make your own strawberry vinaigrette at home using only real ingredients, no sugar, and under 5 minutes. Blend the strawberries, balsamic vinegar, some salt, olive oil, and oregano in a blender or use an immersion blender and that's it. Use it on any kind of salad. Super easy and delicious. Give it a try and enjoy.